In this video, we bring to you the Goose Gap Shipyard, a beachfront container home fully powered by solar and propane gas in Barrie Island, Ontario, Canada. Welcome back. Fully powered by solar and propane, this retreat offers all of the comforts of a home but in a sustainable setting. The house is built using 3 shipping containers. The design concept adopts a 40-foot shipping container stacked on top of 2 perpendicularly aligned 20-foot containers set apart to saddle an open space in between. The resultant space between the 2 perpendicularly aligned 20-foot containers is lined with timber to create the living space of the house. A glass front door ushers you into an impressive living area. The living room features comfortable sofas with end tables, a floor rug, a custom coffee table, and a TV for your entertainment. From the lounge area is a simple dining space that can comfortably sit 4. Behind the couch is a foosball table for more entertainment options. The living area is fitted with a large glass garage door which opens the living space to the outdoors, extending the limited indoor space. From the living area is a kitchen located in one of the shipping containers. The kitchen space is bright and is a single-walled space equipped with all the necessary kitchen appliances. Of the kitchen area is the first bedroom, fitted with a comfortable double bed and a window that lights up the bed space. The second bedroom, which lies in the second container, features a metal framed bunk bed and a window for daylighting. A simple wooden staircase leads to the upper floor of the house. From the staircase landing is the house full bathroom that features a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a sink area. The master bedroom, which also lies on the second floor, features a super comfortable double bed that can comfortably sleep 2, ample pillows, and warm beddings. The second floor is fitted with a double glass door which opens to the outside so that you can enjoy the outdoors on the big rooftop deck that offers unrivaled views of the lake and sunrise. The color palette for the house interior is bright to create an interior space that is modern and spacious. This amazing house is fully powered by solar and propane, and it elevates sustainable off-grid living to the next level. This amazing house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. You are encouraged to give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend it to more viewers and support our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.